everyone, welcome to a new video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 6 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 13, the space and the unknown. Now we have first a question which is first one, that's the fill in the blanks with the help of the help desk. Let's begin with the blanks now. The first one given in the fill in the blanks question is dash is the nearest planet to the sun, and the answer for this question is Mercury. Next is Mercury is the smallest and the fastest planet in the solar system, orbiting the sun once in every dash. Now the answer over here is that 88 days. Mercury is the smallest and the fastest planet, and it orbits the sun in just 88 days, whereas the earth takes around 365 days to orbit the sun. Surface temperature on Mercury ranges from about -173 degrees Celsius to 427 degrees Celsius. Fourth, the dash are largely made up of rocks. So the crust and the mantle are made up of rocks. Next is Beethoven, Tolstoy and Shakespeare. They are the names of the craters on Mercury. Then next is Venus is the second planet from the sun. Venus shines like a star in the night sky because its atmosphere reflects sunlight well. Eighth is Venus is also called dash because it can be seen from the earth. And what's the answer? Evening star. Venus is also called the evening star. Let's move to the ninth question. The ninth question is Venus is the hottest planet with a temperature of 464 degrees Celsius. 10th is Venus is so hot because of carbon dioxide in its atmosphere. So this was all about the fill in the blanks. Let's move to your answer please. So kids, the question for you is which celestial object used to be considered a planet before? And I think everybody knows this answer. It's a very easy question. Then let's move on to the quick fact. And the quick fact says that atmospheric pressure on the surface of Venus is 90 times greater than that on the Earth. So the atmospheric pressure on the Venus is really 90 times more than that of the Earth. Let's now move to the next page. On the next page again we have fill in the blanks, and we have to fill these blanks with the help of the help desk. So let's begin with the exercise. The first question is space is explored in two ways: by studying it from Earth using powerful telescopes and by launching spacecraft. Then the second is most space exploration is dash, and the answer is unmanned. Third is no dash has ever come back from another planet, and the answer for this question is space probe. Then fourth, dash are special places where astronomers study space, and the answer is observatories. One of the largest observatory complexes 4,200 meters above the sea level, which in a crater of an extinct Hawaiian volcano is, and the name of the observatory is Mauna Kea Observatory. Mauna Kea Observatory. Then next is the first space station was Salyut 1, and it stayed up only for 5 months. The seventh question is the longest serving station was dash. It made more than 76,000 orbits of the Earth, and the answer is Mir. Then 8th is Dash is a reusable spacecraft made up of 37.2 meter long orbiter, 2 big solid rocket boosters and 3 main engines. 9th is Dash are the objects that orbit planets and other space objects, and the answer is satellites. And here the 10th one, Dash is the first man-made satellite in space, and the answer for this question is Sputnik 1. So this was all about the fill in the blanks. Let's now move on to your answer, please children. And the question for you is, which is the nearest natural satellite to the Earth? And you have to write the name itself here. Then let's move on to quick fact. And the quick fact speaks of that escape velocity on the surface of the Earth is about 11.2 km per second. And this was all about this chapter related to space. I hope you must have liked the chapter. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.